To apply for a TD Bank USA credit card in some simple steps. 1. Explore TD Bank credit card options. Visit the TD Bank USA website and navigate to the Credit Cards section. Browse the available credit cards to find one that suits your needs and spending habits. Consider factors like rewards, interest rates, fees, and benefits. 2. Check for pre-qualification, optional. TD Bank may offer a pre-qualification tool on their website. This allows you to see potential credit card offers you might be eligible for without impacting your credit score. 3. Gather your information. Before starting the application, make sure you have the following information ready: full legal name, date of birth, current address, and previous address if you've lived at your current one for less than 2 years. Social security number, email address and phone number. Employment information, employer name, address, phone number. Gross annual income. Bank account information may be requested. 4. Choose your application method. Apply online. This is usually the quickest and most convenient way. Go to the specific credit card page on the TD Bank website and click Apply Now or a similar button. Apply in person. You can visit a local TD Bank branch and speak with a representative who can guide you through the application process. Use the Find a TD Bank tool on their website to locate a branch near you. Apply by phone. TD Bank may offer the option to apply over the phone. You can find their customer service number on their website. 5. Complete the application form. Fill out all the required fields on the application form accurately and completely. Review all the information you've entered before submitting. 6. Review and submit. Carefully read the terms and conditions of the credit card agreement. Once you are satisfied and all information is correct, submit your application. 7. Wait for a decision. TD Bank will review your application. You may receive a decision online immediately in some cases. However, it can take a few business days to a couple of weeks to receive a decision by mail or email. Important notes. Credit check. Applying for a credit card will result in a hard inquiry on your credit report, which can slightly lower your credit score temporarily. Eligibility requirements. TD Bank has specific eligibility criteria for their credit cards, which may include your credit history, income, and other factors. Credit freeze. If you have a credit freeze with any of the major credit bureaus, you may need to temporarily lift it before applying. By following these simple steps, you can apply for a TD Bank USA credit card. Remember to choose the card that best fits your financial situation and spending habits.